and welcome. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes as we put our LightWare sensors to the test in one of the toughest environments for LiDAR, water. Water is highly reflective, and bright sunlight makes accurate measurements even more difficult. To find out how our sensors perform under these conditions, our team took our test drone, comically nicknamed Ursula, to a resort with a dam and spent the day conducting field trials. Before takeoff, the team assembled the drone and prepared it for multiple test flights. One by one, we mounted different LightWare sensors to the drone, including the SF-20C, LW-20C, GRF-250, GRF-500, and SF-000B. For easy integration, we used our newly developed DroneCAN adapter. This small module ensures seamless communication between each sensor and the drone's flight controller via DroneCAN that allowed us to quickly swap sensors in and out without changing any code. The dam provided the perfect challenge. Open water and bright sunshine gave us the opportunity to see whether our sensors could cut through reflections and still deliver accurate measurements. The team began with some preliminary flights to check calibration and flight stability. First, the SF-30C and GRF-250 rangefinders were compared. As shown in the readings, both sensors tracked altitude almost identically as the drone climbed and descended over the dam. The close overlap between the two traces confirmed consistent and accurate distance measurements, even above highly reflective water surfaces. The GRF-250 showed fine detail at longer ranges, while the SF-30C delivered stable and reliable short-range performance. Next, the SF-30D and GRF-500 were tested. Both sensors performed exceptionally well at greater heights, maintaining accuracy and smooth signal response even as environmental reflections increased. Their data confirmed that LightWare's long-range sensors can handle bright, complex surfaces without loss of precision. And the SF-000B, our smallest and lightest sensor, proved that even at a fraction of the size and weight, it could still deliver reliable data. By testing them one at a time, we were able to confirm the strengths of each model in the same environment, under the same conditions. Results and takeaways. The outcome was a success. In every case, the sensors were able to take accurate readings of the dam's surface, even in harsh sunlight and over highly reflective water. These tests proved not only the robustness of our LiDAR technology, but also how straightforward integration can be when using the DroneCAN adapter for setup and communication. Why is this important? Accurate water surface performance opens the door to a wide range of applications, while ensuring the safety of flight. This field test showed how LightWare sensors perform in one of the toughest environments, and how easy it is to integrate them into drone platforms. Thanks for watching. If you need any support, please feel free to reach out to the LightWare support team, who will gladly assist with your query.